What do the world's tallest skyscrapers have in common? They're built with I-beams, the ultimate in strength and durability. It's no wonder Allsafe applies the same principle to our Ultra fence poles with the innovative twin I-beam design. While the twin I-beam poles are already built to handle serious pressure, some situations call for extra reinforcement, like extreme wind areas or the high-stress radius points in your layout. That's where Allsafe Ultra inserts come in. These aluminum reinforcements slide seamlessly into the poles, boosting their strength exactly where it's needed most. The Ultra inserts also work with our classic fence poles. To install the Ultra inserts, you would first give them a very slight bend. This will keep them from slipping out. Then set your fence section upside down on some cardboard and simply tap them into the desired poles with a hammer. You can install the fence as usual with confidence that you have given your customer the highest quality and strongest removable safety fence in the industry. Get it installed the right way, the Allsafe way.